Hey everybody, good morning. Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So today is the day. My boyfriend got this beast hauled up here yesterday actually, and our tow truck is already here. So finally this morning we are off to the weigh station to get this beast titled. If you don't know the process, we'll teach you as we go along. Thank you as always for watching. Have a great morning everybody. All right guys, we are loaded and on the way to the weigh station. All right guys, so for those of you who are just joining us, I am getting this Hearse titled, and I had somebody comment last night on a video. It is not an ambulance. I have decoded the VIN and the body tag and everything. It is actually a Superior Hearse, Superior coach company, and so it's not an ambulance. Somebody just tried to make it look like that at one point. Anyway, the car is sold, and the gentleman wanted a title. The car's been out of the system for a long time, so just to save him a little bit of work, he paid me an extra fee, and I'll do this for anybody that I have a car for, and I'm going to get a title for him. So, for hearses, since they're deemed commercial vehicles, you have to get them weighed at a certified weigh station, so they have the weight to put on the title when they go to title it. So, like I said, that's why I'm doing this little video, just to show everybody what's going on and how to get all that done. So we are here now at the weigh station, and I will continue to film the process. So if you have a Hearse that's been out of the system for a long time, it's super easy to do, not hard at all, and yeah. So anyway, just a little tidbit of information. Okay, I'll be back with you guys in just a second. I'm gonna park the truck. Gotta love people's reactions to hearses. It's hilarious. They come from far and wide just to stare. All right, everybody. So there's the weigh station pad, whatever you want to call it, right there at scale. So we're just gonna get this unloaded. God bless my tow guys. They're always dealing with all my problem cars. Yeah, I'm always filming for YouTube, so.
Is it? Nah.
So as soon as they get it on the scale, he'll pick up the bed of his truck right there, and we'll get it weighed real quick. All right guys, that's a wrap at the weigh station. So we have our weight certificate right here. As you can see, that is the piece of paper that I needed right here. And the weight was 5,240 pounds. So now we are off to the DMV. Oh, fun, fun. Oh my goodness guys, what a morning. So like 4.5 hours later, I am done, and we have this. So now we just wait for the title to come in the mail, and the new owner will be very happy. So I am out of here for the day. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll catch up with you the next time. Take care, have a blessed day.